Sheriff's office, why don't you come out and talk to me with your hands empty?
If you're a sheriff, I'll blow your head off.
Drop the gun!
Just my...
If we call the cops, he was going to kill us. And the first time
said
we
that
had...
today?
Today.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Okay.
On February 10th, 2022, 911 dispatchers in Maple Falls, Washington began to receive multiple complaints about a belligerent resident in a nearby subdivision. What started as a routine disturbing the peace call quickly devolved into a violent scene of brutality so insane, even area neighbors were compelled to pick up arms and fight back. Some of the footage you're about to see has never been seen before.
Howdy. Are you having trouble with the neighbors?
It began with a series of complaints from Maple Falls residents that their reclusive neighbor, later identified as the then 60-year-old Joel Burke Young, had been discharging a shotgun into the air and making verbal threats against them.
Oh, so he's making smoke. Okay. I'm not the burn ban police, so I don't know if there's a burn ban because of the air quality.
I don't know.
I have no frickin' idea.
No, I don't either.
So, who's out shooting a shotgun in the air?
Deputies Ryan Rathbun and Jason Thompson of the Whatcom County Sheriff's Office in Washington are the first to respond, completely unaware of just how dangerous this situation will soon become.
But he's just out here being an asshole.
That's correct.
He's pissed
That is
about
correct.
the fire.
That is correct. That is correct.
And you're like, what, dude? So you're going to go...
That's correct. Yeah.
You're more than prepared to put it out. You didn't make any threats to shoot anybody.
Nope.
He didn't make any threats to kill you?
Nope.
Okay, these guys are pissed off because he's...
Well, he may have. He may have.
Okay.
But I wasn't overly concerned about it.
Okay. Let me go talk to these guys and I'll brief him real fast.
Yeah.
These guys are out here all armed up and pissed off because they're like the local neighborhood buddies and watch group, right? They're like, why the f*** is he shooting a gun out here? Yada, yada, yada. They're pissed about that.
The trigger-happy suspect will soon appear just off camera, opening his front door to make it known exactly how he feels about the whole situation.
Have we talked to him yet?
No one's talked to him yet.
Okay, so that's
Probably a 2-officer contact if you talk to him. Seven-two walk and give us the air. I don't know what this guy's name is. Hey, Ron, you want to go back in the house? He was back out of the door yelling, so I just don't want you in the backyard. So, do you know his name?
Nope.
No, he doesn't know his name.
No.
Yeah, just wait. Garage-ish or stuff. I just don't want you getting shot by that
Appreciate
idiot.
it.
Yeah. So he's gonna come to the door and yell and be foolish. I don't want to order him out till we get another person. Hey, sir.
Hey, you want to shoot?
No, it's the sheriff's office. Why don't you come out with your hands empty and talk to us?
Just my...
Okay, well, that's different.
Do you want to just keep an eye on that and I'll talk to these guys?
Yeah, sure.
While Deputy Thompson maintains visual on the Young house, Deputy Rathbun talks with nearby residents, hoping to gain some insight into the mind and mentality of their suspect.
Well, he just asked me to kiss his dick. Maybe it was Deputy Thompson. I don't know.
Well, the slug from the shotgun is in
Not
our
the
backyard.
slug, the plug.
Okay.
So, I mean, that's when I saw the plug land in our backyard.
Why don't you come out and talk to me with your hands empty?
If you're a sheriff, I'll blow your head off. Get the f*** out of here. Tell these people to put the goddamn smoke down. Take a ride on the wild side. Hit it.
Based on the suspect's dangerous behavior and blatant refusal to follow the officer's instructions, this situation has the potential to quickly take a catastrophic turn.
But if he's shooting it up in the air, it's raining a house over onto kids, do we have a reckless endangerment issue?
This isn't the first time. And
Possibly.
he told us if we call the cops, he was going to kill us. And the first
He
time
said
we
that
had...
today?
Today. He said, call the cops and I'll kill you. And we said, fine, we'll go get our guns and we're calling the cops.
To you guys,
To us.
today he yelled that to you.
Yeah, just when this happened, because we told him to stop shooting. We have
Okay.
kids outside. Told us to go f*** ourselves.
You can put some notes in CAD. Our subject appears to be intoxicated by interaction, verbal and physical. He's armed with a shotgun. He's aware law enforcement is here and doesn't care.
I said, fine, we're calling the cops. And he said, do it and I'll kill you.
And you saw him armed with a gun?
Yeah, he shot
Do
us.
you believe he would possibly engage and shoot you guys?
Yeah.
This will all be an audio and video recorded.
no.
Everyone understand
There's
that?
a reason I
Boom, boom,
grabbed
boom, boom,
mine.
boom.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
It seems Young's antics had been escalating for some time, to the point where his neighbors feel their lives are now at risk, but no one is prepared for just how violently unhinged Young can really be.
He went back in the house and proceeded to egg me on and yell obscenities at me through the window.
Okay.
And I informed him that I'm a veteran. He wants to f around. I was in Afghanistan. I don't care. Come outside.
Right.
I'll dump right here. You threatened me, this household, and our family. I defend all terrorists, foreign and domestic. I don't care.
So,
That is a
and that's why you went and armed yourself.
yeah.
Drop the gun!
Get your fucking face.
Drop the gun!
Just my.
We're gonna deal with him.
Right-handed.
The cavalry's coming. We're gonna deal with him. Whatever that looks like. He's not gonna be allowed to shoot guns and fuck. Right. So we're gonna take care of it.
Stuff away.
I feel you. I know what you're saying. We're gonna deal with it.
Suddenly, all hell breaks loose.
What do you want now?
Sheriff's office, drop the gun!
Shots fired. Shots fired.
You okay? I'm hit.
7-4, welcome.
That's right. With both deputies struck down by gunfire, it's the neighbors who take up arms to defend against the maniac terrorizing their streets. After one of the men unloads an entire magazine into the window of the suspect's house, the others help the wounded deputies into the cover of the nearby garage, where they quickly attempt to render first aid.
Keep driving. Keep driving. You okay?
Hey, we call medics!
They're coming. Greg, shots fired. At the front door. Hey, get back.
I'm alright, brother. Not alright, but yeah.
Jay, we got hit in the face. Jay and I are out of here.
Tell Hank, go to my van. In the back of the van is a med kit. Big red bag, black backpack. Please grab it. I don't have a whole lot.
Yeah. Yeah, I need aid, but we need replacements. Yes.
In the head.
We're both hit.
In the head. Both officers.
Shoot in the head.
I'm losing vision in my left eye.
Okay.
Just please sit down. I got you covered, man.
Yeah, I'm just trying to bleed here.
While the extent of the officer's injuries isn't yet known, it's clear that they're in desperate need of medical attention. Additional members of law enforcement continue to arrive at the scene to assist, but the shooter is still at large. There's no telling what'll happen next.
I doubt it was a slug because I wouldn't be here.
No, it wasn't a slug. We got BBs.
I got sterile pad. How many you want?
Jay, stay armed up.
That light blew out right there.
You need to back over here.
He shot me out the front door. Mine's right here.
On the dash.
Can you drive, Bone?
Yeah, I can drive.
As the harrowing standoff continues, the injured officers have no choice but to transport themselves in an attempt to obtain the medical care they need.
You good? You good?
I'm coming. Hey, what's your name up there?
Get in, Bone, get in. Back seat, get in.
774.
7-2 and I are self-extricating to aid. You can let them know at the fire hall that we're coming in with gunshot wounds.
Copy, to meet 8 at the fire hall. 16 to 74, we're behind 8. Kendall on Oregon Trail.
Okay? We're both shot. We are the ones that are shot. Don't go any farther down.
Let's advise. We got 2 victims, both with buckshot, shot to the forehead, both of them. You can run with both of them.
We can all ride in one ambulance.
Yeah, we're going to. We only have one here. So who shot you?
The guy at the house.
What's his name?
I don't know.
3031?
Yeah.
Evan's gonna load you guys up, okay?
Okay,
Put your rifle down. I want to load you up and go, okay?
With white trim, we got a bunch of civilians helping us.
Just you guys get back outside right here. Just load them up and go.
With the injured deputies safely in the care of emergency services, tactical units can focus on swiftly bringing the suspect to justice. And indeed, it won't be long before the full force of the Whatcom County Sheriff's Office descends upon the home of the alleged shooter.
All right, I'll take a look at the map. How far up are we from here?
Be safe. We think the guy's still in the house, just in case he's
for
ordered.
attempted murder.
Gotcha. Times 2. Right? Where'd James go?
Alan?
I got that, James. Hey, Triplet. We're going to take 2 and go around King Valley that way. We're going to take, him and I are going to go up King Valley and go around the east.
I want you to stay further out from perimeter, so that's going to take all the tight stuff.
Yeah, that makes sense.
If there's a way when we get back there, if there's a way to make contact with Haystack, I want to get this moved because we're going to have a big piece of armor coming in.
Okay.
Austin, what do you need from me?
I don't know. I think I just need to go to him and jump bear tank on the other side when we see the front door.
Okay.
I think they're pretty well empty, so I don't think there's very many people in there yet. So whatever you need. Okay. And
Shotgun?
we don't know. That's what he was firing originally, I guess, but we don't know what they got.
That's what the CAD says.
So, and nobody has eyes on the guy, so we don't know if he's in there or not. We're assuming he is. Okay. But they have pretty good perimeter presence in the southeast.
Do we have a description, clothing, and
We have nothing. Nothing. So.
With his house surrounded by an army of law enforcement officials and armored vehicles, it appears Young doesn't quite grasp the severity of the situation as he finally opens his front door and makes his presence known.
Door's opening.
Door open.
Show me your hands! Hands up! Put your hands up right now! You're under arrest! Step out front! Hands in the air! Step out, follow commands, show me your hands! Keep your hands up! Hands up! Higher! Keep your hands up! Walk out to the street!
Get the FN ready. Suspect at the front door laughing at us.
Joel Young wouldn't have the last laugh, however. At 6:03 p.m., officers secured Young in handcuffs, bringing an end to a day of needless terror and indiscriminate violence.
Get on your face! Hands out! Hands out!
I got the house.
Hands out to your side, all the way! Jaron, out of the turret!
You guys are really making a big scene out of nothing.
Keep your taser on him.
He has no idea what he did. Look at this guy. You guys are here for me? Like, he has no idea.
Amazingly, despite the flurry of gunfire directed at his property, Joel Young was completely unscathed. With the alleged shooter in cuffs, it wasn't long before the heroic exploits of the gunslinging neighbors began to circulate among the ranks.
Because he was jacking a shotgun around, so him and Jay, I think they were, like, approaching. I don't know how close they got. I don't know if they're at the door, and I don't know if they returned fire.
The neighbors returned fire.
I don't know.
No, they did. Oh, they did? What's that? The neighbors returned fire. Oh, the neighbors.
Neighbors.
Those neighbors right there, when Bone got hit, they came up to get Bone, and they returned fire.
Oh.
One of them with a shotgun, and the other one with a rifle, shot at the guy here. And they grabbed Bone and brought him back.
Gotcha. Well, good.
Everybody's looking at the house, and I'm like, all right, this is my team. And I didn't know who those guys were, but they were great.
do we know exactly what houses they're at?
You know what?
Do we know what houses our assistants were at? Oh, it is that one.
Those two, Rathbun and the other officer.
You know if they're okay? The officers?
We don't know. Yeah,
That breaks my heart.
Rathbun is like...
He's like family. He's like family.
He was standing right over by the door there.
Where you mean where the garage door is, where the lights on?
Yeah. Okay.
So he was standing there, and he said he was a sheriff?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
And then I said, F you. That's what you do, right? Yeah. Okay? It's not that I don't appreciate sheriffs. My dad was a border patrol. Oh, okay? Okay? Yeah. I appreciate all you people. That ain't the point. I'm really getting damn tired of this what's going on. You can throw me in jail if you want. It's okay. I'm not a threat to you. Because I'm sick of this, right? I got neighbors over here that are freaking crazy. I can't stand it here. I want to move somewhere else. But if you throw me in jail, I guess I'll just sit there till I die.
Despite both officers suffering wounds caused by birdshot to their faces, deputies Ryan Rathbun and Jason Thompson would eventually make full recoveries and return to duty nearly a year after this horrific experience. Each was awarded the State Medal of Honor in May of 2023. Joel Burke Young faces several felony charges, including 2 counts of attempted first-degree murder. He pleaded not guilty at his arraignment on February 18, 2022. As of January of 2024, he's still awaiting trial and remains in custody at the Skagit County Jail.